Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. CM Naveen Patnaik Wednesday felicitated Olympians Birendra Lakra and Amit Rohidas for their spectacular performance at the Tokyo Olympics. Patnaik rewarded 2.5 crores rupees each and the post of DSP in Orissa Police for clinching bronze medal in the men's hockey event at Olympics 2020. Deep Chris Ekka and Namita Topo were awarded 50 lakhs rupees each. A 55-year-old COVID patient has escaped from the COVID ward of SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack. Police said Wednesday. Both Cuttack City and Cuttack Rural Police have launched a massive manhunt to trace the male patient. At least 2 persons were killed and another sustained grievous injuries Wednesday after an onion-laden truck fell into a 100-feet deep gorge near Bangiri Posi on NH49 in Mayurbhanj district. According to an eyewitness, the truck was on its way from Nasik of Maharashtra to West Bengal when the incident occurred. Even as experts have predicted a third wave of COVID-19 in September, its impact is already being felt in Kendrapara. Reports said that 32 children in the age group of 1 to 17 have tested positive for COVID-19 within the first 9 days of this month. With the Puri Sri Mandir reopening from Monday, the Sri Jagannath Temple administration today issued a standard operating procedure to be followed by the devotees, staff and other officials of the temple. The Sri Jagannath Temple was lying closed for devotees since April 24. Many people were feared buried in yet another major landslide on the National Highway 5 in Himachal Pradesh remote Kinnaur district Wednesday. A state roadways, bus and several vehicles were buried in the landslide that occurred over a large stretch on the highway near Nigulsari, the district headquarters of Kinnaur. The governor of New York, Andrew Cuomo, stepped down from his post Tuesday after a probe found that he had harassed multiple women sexually. Cuomo's resignation will come into effect in the next 14 days, when power will be transferred to Kathy Hochul. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.